Welcome to my channel CA Gayatri's Academy, and today we are going to discuss on the topic auditing versus investigation. So this is a very important topic and we are going to do it in a very nice way. Difference between auditing and investigation. So what does the meaning says? Auditing is the independent examination of financial statements to express an opinion on their true and fair view. So auditing क्या होता है? एक independent examination होता है, financial statements के बारे में express करता है auditor about its truth and fairness, right? And investigation on the other hand is a special detailed examination of accounts to establish a specific fact or truth. कोई एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ को ढूंढना है स्पेसिफिक पर्पस से, जिसका ट्रुथ या फेयरनेस जानना पड़ता है, या जिसका फैक्ट कोई फ्रॉड हुआ है उसका डिटेक्शन करना है. इन दैट केस सो वी हैव टू गो to the specific purpose, specific fact, that is investigation. Okay, detailed examination of that fact. So अभी difference क्या है देखते हैं. Objective, auditing का objective है to verify the truth and fairness of the financial statements. Example, annual statutory audit of a company's accounts. That is an objective of auditing. So verify the truth and fairness of the financial statements. Whereas when we speak of investigation, it is to examine the specific issues like fraud detection, valuation of any particular specific asset or liability, whatever it is, or solvency position of the company. Example, investigating suspected embezzlement in a branch office. तो ये हो गया इन्वेस्टिगेशन. स्पेसिफिक पर्पस से उसका एम्बेजलमेंट ब्रांच ऑफिस में कितना कैश का सस्पेक्टेड फ्रॉड हुआ है उसके बारे में जानना है. ठीक है. Scope of auditing is broad and general because it covers all the financial statements. Okay, so entire audit of the financial year 2024 is a best example. Then we go to investigation, narrow and focus on a particular aspect or purpose. एक specific purpose है, उसी को ही focus करके ढूंढना है, निकालना है. So it is narrow. Okay, example, investigation of inventory valuation for a merger deal. कंपनी ए कंपनी डी बी में एक डील हुआ है कि दे वांट टू मर्ज. सो कंपनी ए बी के बारे में जान सकता है कि उसके इन्वेंट्री वैल्यूएशन क्या हो रहा है. तो सो टू नो अबाउट द डिटेल अबाउट इट. ओके, सो इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफ इन्वेंट्री वैल्यूएशन ऑफ अ मर्जर डील. इवन बाहर की कोई कंपनी जानना चाहती क्यों मर्ज हुआ, दे ऑल्सो कैन हैव इन्वेस्टिगेशन डन ऑन द फैक्ट वाई इट वॉज डन. ओके. Second, period covered. Usually one accounting year in case of auditing. Example, audit of books for the year ending March 31st, 2025. But in case of investigation, it may cover several years or a specific period. बहुत सारे साल को भी include कर सकते हैं. एक specific period for 3 months or 6 months it can be done. Okay. So investigation of the transactions from 2022 to the 25 for fraud detection. Legal requirement mandatory under Companies Act. Auditing and other statutory audit example required for all companies. And when we speak of investigation, it is not mandatory, conducted when specifically required. Okay, it is a specific required. It is, as the circumstances will require, the investigation have to be carried out. So example, investigation ordered by shareholders before acquisition of the shares. So that is a very good example of investigation. So non-mandatory, it is not mandatory, it is currently specifically required, or particular fraud has been detected. So for that particular case, it has to be investigated. Okay, so it is not mandatory. As the circumstances demand, investigation is done. Okay. Approach based on test checks and reliance on internal controls. Example, sampling invoices for during audit. That is for approach based in auditing. Sample checks, then vouching. Then we also have stock taking for audit work particular type. Okay. So that is based on test checks or reliance on internal controls. But when we speak of investigation, detailed and thorough examination beyond normal audit procedures, because it has to be done detailed. Otherwise, we cannot go into the matter why the investigation has to be done. For example, scrutinizing every transaction related to suspected fraud. एक particular इसी branch का cash का fraud हुआ है, तो in for that every and each transaction related to the time period when cash has been fraudulently dealt with, in that type it has to be done each and every transaction. So it is scrutinizing each transaction. Okay, detailed and thorough examination has to be done beyond normal audit procedures. Reporting for case of auditing, auditor issues a standard audit report. Okay, example, auditor's opinion on financial statements. And in case of investigation, investigator submits a detailed report addressing the specific purpose. Detailed report देना है और जो एक specific purpose को address करेगा. Okay, example, report on financial health of takeover डिसीजन, टेक ओवर डिसीजन के लिए फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ के बारे में जानना है तो दैट इज अ स्पेसिफिक पार्ट एंड डिटेल्ड रिपोर्ट होना चाहिए। इन ऑडिटर के केस में एक स्टैंडर्ड ऑडिट रिपोर्ट है जैसे फॉर्म इसको देना पड़ता है फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स में। ऑडिटिंग कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी, ऑडिट रिपोर्ट इज यूजुअली पब्लिक, राइट, पब्लिक के लिए ऑडिट रिपोर्ट इज देयर, दे कैन सी फ्रॉम देयर व्हाट हूएवर वांट्स टू गेट द स्टेक होल्डर्स, जो उनको यहाँ से इंटरेस्ट है, दे कैन सी फ्रॉम द रिपोर्ट, बट इन्वेस्टिगेशन रिपोर्ट इज कॉन्फिडेंशियल, ओके, कोई पर्टिकुलर केस पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है एंड दैट इज कॉन्फिडेंशियल। अपॉइंटमेंट, अपॉइंटेड बाय शेयर होल्डर्स, लॉ, मैनेजमेंट एज पर स्टेटेड, राइट, जिसके हिसाब से जरूरत है वैसे से ऑडिटर को अपॉइंट किया जाएगा। बाय शेयर होल्डर्स कैन अपॉइंट, लॉ कैन अपॉइंट, बट द लीगल स्टेटस ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर मैनेजमेंट एज पर स्टैट्यूट ऑल्सो, बट इन्वेस्टिगेशन अपॉइंटमेंट बाय मैनेजमेंट, court, lender or regulatory authority can go for investigation. So appointment can be done by management, by the court, by lender or regulatory authority. Conducted by, usually conducted by a statutory auditor in case of auditing. An investigation conducted by an investigator may be a chartered accountant or specialist. Okay? So it has to be a specialist person, investigation, and in case of auditing, auditing work is done by a statutory auditor. Obviously he is a chartered accountant, स्पेशलिस्ट नहीं होने, लेकिन इन्वेस्टिगेशन केसेस में ऑब्वियसली एंड ऑल द टाइम इट शुड हैज टू बी अ वर्क ऑफ अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट एंड अ स्पेशलिस्ट, राइट, and in case of auditing also we have the cost audits, so for that cost accountants do it in case of auditing. इन्वेस्टिगेशन केस में स्पेशलिस्ट होना पड़ेगा, जिस पर्टिकुलर केस पे उसको डील करना है, राइट। सो दीज वर द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन auditing and investigation. Hope it is clear. Thanks for watching.